Welcome to the sanctuary of precious metals, where gold is more than just matter. It is a masterpiece of million-dollar security and high-tech engineering. Experience the intense glow of 24-karat gold as it transforms from a liquid state into the world's most coveted and stable form of wealth. These pristine bars emerge from the furnace, reflecting a brilliance that captures centuries of human desire and the absolute peak of modern metallurgical science today. Watch as precision lasers engrave micro-text invisible to the naked eye, creating a digital fortress around every single gram of this precious and golden treasure. Today, we reveal the secrets behind the 99.99 gold minting process. A journey through fire, precision, and unbreakable security protocols for all global investors. Behind every bar lies a story of extreme heat and advanced technology, ensuring that what you hold is authentic, pure, and recognized by international markets. Step inside a world-class facility where craftsmanship meets the future, setting the gold standard for purity and protection in the modern and complex financial era. The journey begins at over 1064 degrees Celsius, where raw gold is subjected to extreme heat to begin its ultimate and necessary purification. In this incandescent state, the metal flows like liquid light, shedding its impurities as the intense thermal energy reorganizes its very essence and atomic structure. Every batch is meticulously sampled. Even the smallest deviation is unacceptable when aiming for the perfection required by the highest international standards of gold. The sample is immediately transported to the analysis lab, where advanced X-ray technology scans the elemental composition with subatomic precision and incredible processing speed. The screen confirms the results instantly. 99.99% pure gold. This is the hallmark of quality that investors trust across the world. We visualize the atomic level where the pure gold crystals align perfectly, creating a dense and stable structure that is resistant to corrosion and chemical changes. Extreme temperature is the first step of purification. Here, every impurity is purged to reach the highest standard of perfection in the precious metal industry. Rapid cooling stabilizes the metal, locking in the purity achieved during the melting process before it moves to the high-pressure mechanical shaping stage of production. Quality control is continuous. Every ingot is inspected by expert eyes and advanced sensors to ensure the base material is flawless before the rolling begins. The transformation from liquid to solid is a delicate balance of physics and timing, ensuring the gold maintains its characteristic density and uniform golden color. Pure gold, element 79, is the foundation of our heritage. Its rarity and beauty are preserved through these rigorous scientific methods and modern industrial practices. This is where science meets wealth. Each step is documented and verified, creating a transparent trail of quality that defines the Bao and Gold brand. Next, the gold enters the rolling mill. Massive pressure flattens the ingots into long, thin sheets with a thickness measured precisely down to the micrometer. Absolute precision is required here. The gold must be uniform in thickness across its entire length to ensure every final coin has the exact weight. Measurements are taken constantly. A deviation of even a few microns could result in a bar that fails the strict weight requirements for investment gold. The sheets are then fed into a high-speed hydraulic press. With rhythmic precision, it stamps out the blanks that will soon become individual gold bars. Each blank is a perfect clone of the last. This uniformity is essential for the automated security engraving and authentication steps that follow in the process. To achieve a mirror finish, the blanks undergo ultrasonic cleaning. High-frequency sound waves blast away every microscopic particle of dust or oil from the metal. Now perfectly clean, the gold is ready for its identity. These blanks are the canvas upon which we will etch our most advanced security features. Every single piece is handled with extreme care. Robotic arms ensure that no human touch contaminates the surface before the final minting and sealing process. Each piece of equipment is tuned to perfection. The force of the press must be exactly right to emboss the intricate designs without damaging the gold. Consistency is the key to trust. Each gold piece must have a uniform weight and size before it moves to the most critical stage, security. This industrial symphony of rolling and stamping prepares the precious metal for its transformation into a globally recognized and secure asset for the future. We now enter the clean room for the million-dollar security phase. Here, ultra-fast lasers begin the process of creating a digital shield for your investment. The laser etches microtext so small it can only be read under high-powered magnification. This feature alone makes counterfeiting nearly impossible for any criminal. Each character is perfectly formed. This level of detail is our first layer of protection, ensuring the authenticity of every bar that leaves this facility. Next is the multi-dimensional hologram. When the gold is tilted, a vibrant rainbow of light appears, showing complex patterns that are unique to our brand. This holographic technology uses light interference to create a visual signature that is extremely difficult to replicate, providing instant verification for any owner. Every bar receives a unique digital identity. A hidden QR code links each physical piece of gold to a secure blockchain database for permanent record. Blockchain technology provides an unalterable history of ownership and origin. Your gold is not just a physical object, it is a secured digital asset. The combination of physical and digital security creates a million-dollar shield. This is the state-of-the-art protection that sets our gold apart from others. Our specialists ensure that every security feature is perfectly applied. Even a minor scratch on a hologram results in the bar being sent back for recycling. We use latent image technology, where a secret symbol is hidden within the texture of the gold, visible only when held against the light correctly. This ingenious feature allows for quick authentication without any equipment, giving the owner total peace of mind in any situation or marketplace. We even record the unique surface grain of each bar, like a human fingerprint. No two gold bars are exactly the same at the microscopic level. Instant verification in the palm of your hand. Our mobile technology allows authorized dealers to confirm the authenticity of any bar in just seconds. The brand mark is a symbol of trust. It represents our commitment to absolute purity and the highest levels of security in the gold industry. Every detail of the process is optimized for cleanliness and precision, ensuring that the final product is as beautiful as it is secure and authentic. Automation ensures that every bar follows the exact same security protocol, removing human error from the equation of protecting your valuable wealth and assets. Under ultraviolet light, another layer of protection is revealed. Invisible ink codes provide a hidden layer of security that is extremely difficult for forgers. The physical bar and its digital certificate are inseparable. This dual-layer approach is why our gold is trusted by the world's most demanding investors. This is the front line of the fight against counterfeiting. Technology and art combine to create a product that is truly unique and entirely secure for you. Precision is our obsession. Every milligram is calculated on scales that are calibrated daily to ensure absolute accuracy for every single gold bar produced. There is zero tolerance for error. Any bar that is even slightly off weight is immediately rejected and sent back to be melted down and recast. We maintain a visual archive of every piece. This forensic level of documentation ensures that every bar's journey is fully traceable from the very beginning. Advanced density testing proves that the bar is solid gold all the way through, with no hidden cavities or cheaper metals hidden inside the core. Ultrasonic scanning acts like an ultrasound for gold, peering inside the metal to confirm its structural integrity and the absolute absence of any foreign materials. The certificate is as important as the gold itself. It is printed on specialized paper with security features similar to those found in modern banknotes. We use optically variable ink on the certificates. This color-shifting technology provides another layer of security that is easily verified by the customer's eyes. The finish must be flawless. Our inspectors check every edge and corner to ensure the gold is smooth to the touch and visually perfect in every way. Serial numbers are the lifeblood of tracking. Each number is unique and cross-referenced with the digital records and the paper certificate for total consistency. Beyond physical scans, we perform chemical fire assays, the world standard method for determining gold purity with the highest degree of scientific and legal certainty. Every verification step is a promise kept. In a world of uncertainty, our gold stands as a beacon of absolute reliability and uncompromised quality standards. The final audit is automated. Our integrated system checks the weight, dimensions, and security codes one last time before the gold is cleared for packaging. Human accountability remains at our core. Each batch is signed off by a master refiner, putting their personal reputation behind every single bar we produce. Handling is kept to a minimum to preserve the mirror-like finish. Every movement is calculated to protect the beauty and value of the finished gold. This rigorous testing regime is why our gold is accepted by major banks and exchanges worldwide without hesitation or the need for reassaying. The final stage is preservation. A robotic arm carefully places each gold bar and its matching certificate into a high-quality, tamper-evident polymer blister pack. Vacuum sealing protects the gold from oxygen and moisture. Even though gold doesn't tarnish, this extra layer ensures it arrives in pristine, factory-fresh condition. The edges are ultrasonically welded. This creates a permanent seal. Any attempt to open the package will be immediately visible, protecting your investment from tampering. Safe and secure transport is our final priority. The bars are packed into armored cases, ready to be shipped to vaults and investors around the world. Inside our ultra-secure vaults, thousands of bars await their future owners. This is the heart of global wealth, protected by the most advanced security systems. From the intense heat of the furnace to the precision of the digital age, we have witnessed the birth of a masterpiece of value and security. The result is more than just a metal bar. It is a promise of stability and a legacy of wealth that can be passed down through generations. The bow and process is a perfect fusion of traditional craftsmanship and futuristic technology, ensuring that your gold remains the ultimate safe haven for capital. Our gold travels globally, recognized as a symbol of trust and quality in every financial center from London and New York to Hong Kong and Singapore. Invest with confidence. Choose the gold that is backed by a $1 million security system and a commitment to absolute purity that never wavers or fades. From the roaring fire to future technology, the bow and gold minting process is a perfect fusion of art and science, representing eternal value and trust.